In our previous video, we used our graphics calculator to find the vertex of a parabola. In this video, we use our graphics calculator to solve a quadratic equation without the need to sketch the parabola. Take your graphics calculator and go to Menu Equations. Select F2, Polynomial, and click on F1 to select Degree 2. We are solving a quadratic, after all. Enter the three coefficients of your quadratic in descending order, starting with 2, the quadratic coefficient, followed by -8, the linear coefficient, and -9, the constant term. Press F1 to solve the quadratic. Your calculator returns the two solutions, 4 plus square root of 34 over 2, or 4.9154, and 4 minus the square root of 34 over 2, or negative 0.915. If you want to watch more videos on quadratics, visit the playlist, and until next week, happy learning! If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates.